Hello, this video is to show how to calibrate the Fieldpiece Multimeter SC260. Today we're going to be calibrating the temperature feature. What you do is, first off, we have a cup of ice water with the UEI thermometer here, and it shows 42.43 degrees Fahrenheit, 43.5, goes up a little down. Seems to stay steady right there at 43.7, 43. Okay, so now if we look at the field piece, it shows 48.2, 47, 48, and the temperature wire is connected to it, and it's going all the way into the ice water. So we can see it's off by 5 degrees, 4 degrees. So to calibrate it, which we're gonna do is what you do is you remove the backing of it. It has two screws, one in the bottom, one in the top, and right here on the side it has a little screw, plastic screw, and a little toggle. So what we're gonna do to calibrate the temperature, you're going to use the little plastic screw. You're gonna change it going either clockwise or counterclockwise depending on if you want to go up or down the temperature. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert this little screwdriver in there, and let me see, I'm going to calibrate it. So I know you can't see exactly as the temperature goes up or down. So 44.6 off of 44.7.9, and we stop screwing it from the back. So that's how you calibrate the temperature feature of the Fieldpiece Multimeter SC260. Okay, and then after that we just put back the cap, make sure everything is correct, and that's it. Thank you.